Hello everyone! This is the Filipina Nomadic Chef. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Our incredible Bohol journey continues. This time, let's delve deeper into Bohol's adventurous side, uncovering hidden waterfalls, exploring the underwater world, and experiencing the thrill of ATV riding and fishing. Forget everything you thought you knew about adventure. Get ready for a heart-stopping, breathtaking, adrenaline-fueled zipline experience in the stunning landscape of Bohol. I'm talking soaring through the canopy, jaw-dropping views, and a rush you won't soon forget. Hold on tight because this is going to be wild. So join me for the rest of the video as I will share my recommendations for the best, reliable but affordable operators that we used. This will help you plan your own trip with confidence. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. All expenses were covered by me and I received no compensation or freebies from any businesses or organizations. So everything you see is my genuine experience and honest opinion. The views from up here are simply breathtaking. You get a completely different perspective of the landscape, seeing everything from a bird's eye view. The walk to the launch area was no walk in the park. The sun beat down relentlessly, turning the already challenging trail into a real test of endurance. But hey, that's the part of the adventure, right? So what is the key takeaway from this sun-baked adventure? Well, first and foremost, hydration is paramount. Seriously, don't underestimate the importance of water. Bring plenty, more than you think you'll need. Hydration can quickly sap your energy and make the trail seem even more challenging. Timing is everything. If possible, try to plan your hike for the cooler parts of the day, early morning or late afternoon. The midday sun is brutal. Also, check the weather forecast and be prepared for intense heat. And let's not forget sun protection. This isn't just about avoiding sunburn, it's about protecting yourself from heat stroke. Next, this resort is just few minutes to drive from Lobak River Cruise. And honestly, the first thing that hit me was how unbelievably clean this place is. The whole area is so well maintained, it's just beautiful. Now what can we do here? Well, we didn't get a chance to try everything, but from what we saw, the possibilities are endless. It looks perfect for swimming and splashing around. The water looks so refreshing. I saw some evidence of kayaking and paddleboarding or something similar. So that's definitely on my list next time. And of course, There's always the classic waterfalls photo op, but honestly, just sitting here listening to the water is amazing. When we arrived, it was surprisingly quiet. Just a couple doing a wedding photo shoot. They looked super happy, and a guy who was just chilling, fishing. It was really peaceful, like a little slice of paradise all to ourselves. Our Bohol adventure continues with an expedition unlike any other. Today, we conquered the trails.
Only one person can ride. If you do it in Bugagi, the two of you can ride. If you're a first timer, please do not worry because this is just automatic. And then you have your trail guide also going to the terrain. At the same time, your guide will be your photographer. Rate for the ATV for an hour, it's 1,200 ma'am. If you do it in Bugagi, this is 2,400 for 1 hour. And for your route, we will be starting here at Soteras ATV rides, and then you will go and enter an 8-hectare land terrain. That is good for 30 minutes going and then 30 minutes going.
We've already received our safety briefing, so let's get this show on the road. Our experienced guide will lead us on a thrilling journey through diverse landscape, showcasing Bohol's natural beauty. We'll start with a gentle warm-up ride, getting acquainted with the ATV and the beautiful Bohol countryside. Notice the lush greenery and vibrant flora surrounding us, a photographer's paradise. In the highlights of this tour, you get an up-close encounter with the magnificent Chocolate Hills. Look at that view. The Chocolate Hills stretch as far as the eye can see, their unique cone shapes creating a mesmerizing landscape. Our guide will stop at several locations, allowing us ample time to take in the beauty and capturing stunning photos. Our guide shares fascinating facts about the Chocolate Hills formation and their significance in Bohol's culture. This is more than just a scenic tour. It's an educational journey into the heart of the island. As we continue our journey, we'll experience the thrills of navigating diverse terrains, from smooth trails to slightly more challenging paths, always under the watchful eye of our expert guide. Our Bohol adventure is drawing too close, but the memories we've created will last a lifetime. This tour has been a fantastic continuation of our Bohol adventure, offering a unique perspective of this incredible island. My most awaited scuba diving adventures began. We dived in Balicasag Island and explored the fascinating Kalipayan wreck. I saw so much incredible marine life. To see the full underwater spectacles, I'll be creating a separate scuba diving adventure video. Keep an eye for it. I won't say too much now, but let me share a glimpse of what I saw beneath the waves. another adventure. This time, we're going fishing. And let me tell you, it was epic. We hit the ocean early, searching for the best fishing spots. We actually moved to different locations throughout the trip. Finding the fish took some serious effort.
Do you make your own jigs, or do you buy them? Hand tie them, or do you buy them?
Buy it.
Okay.
We used a jigging technique, which is super effective but requires patience and endurance. It's a workout. You're constantly working through lure, up and down, so be prepared for some arm fatigue.
It goes up. So I think this is not a
This is something
shark,
different.
huh? Yeah.
Kala nila nakawala. Pumakyat lang sila.
This is one of those little fish that were chasing the shark.
I don't know.
This has head shake.
Huh?
Head shake.
Different move, huh?
Yeah.
Di ba duha to big?
Hindi lagi.
Huh?
Ito no?
I have experience like that before. The two fish in the one lure. Yeah. Two amberjack.
On guys, fish on.
Lapit na? Wow. It looks big.
It's a big fish.
Ay! My God!
It's a cuttlefish.
Basta balde big.
Octopus, huh?
Yeah.
Wala ka nung
Ito lang eh.
And the results? We landed huge cuttlefish and a massive amberjack. Seriously impressive catches. A huge thanks to our amazing boatmen. They're super knowledgeable, their equipment is top-notch, and the service was outstanding. I highly recommend booking with them. You can find his contact info on screen now. There you have it, a taste of Bohol's incredible adventure site. From ATV thrills to underwater wonders, breathtaking zip lines to epic fishing, Bohol truly has it all. What adventure would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all so you don't miss out on future adventures. Share the video to inspire your friends and stay tuned for other upcoming adventures. Thanks for watching!